My philosophy when it comes to designing small spaces is to iterate until it feels right. It also helps a lot if you live in the space and can really try out what works for you. My name is Koen Fraijaman and I love to make things. I've made sculptures for light art festivals, I've made exhibitions, and I've also made most of the things you can see around here. I live in this loft with my girlfriend, Fadime, and our cat, Sock.
Living in a small apartment is a very tailored way of living. Everything has to be considered. That also include your furniture. Multifunctional modular furniture like mold crates is perfect for small spaces. Mold crates allow you to customize your space whichever way you like to meet your specific needs. Storage, bedside table, room divider, coffee table, and for me, I customize a TV unit and a side table for my tiny living room. You don't need any handy skills or specialized tools to install mold crates. Love it. And you can even add wheels to make them portable. Love it even more. Mold crate is made of top quality and sustainable Baltic birch plywood manufactured in Baltic Sea region. This plywood offers great strength and durability and will last for a long time. The system is designed with longevity in mind, and if one day I no longer need this side table for my living room, it can be transformed into a side table for my sleeping area or 2 little stools for my dining area. Genius! You might be wondering why you haven't heard of mold crate? Well, that's because mold crate is only launching now on Indiegogo, and we have teamed up with them to create a secret mold column perk just for you. This secret perk includes everything you need to make this multifunctional piece, and to get an exclusive discount, links in the description. I know you will love them.
In the 90s, the municipality of Amsterdam transformed this district. All the houses could be built without any aesthetical restrictions. So all the houses in the street look completely different. This apartment building was finished in 1998. This unit was owned by my mother and we decided to buy it from her and renovate it by ourselves. The loft is 45 square meters. We fell in love with a high ceiling, big windows opening up to the waterfront and the playfulness of the layout. In this space there's a loft floor where you could sleep on. On the lower floor there was a kitchen and a living space. We added a kitchen island to the kitchen. We built a frame around the bed. We also extended the terrace by having a floating deck. The entrance is pretty small, so we try to keep it clean and clear, so you can look straight through the house and see the water. The coats are hung in a cabinet around the corner, so they are not in the way when entering or leaving the house. There's a mirror above the door to bounce the light around in this corner of the apartment. The ceiling light in the hall came from Turkey. I found it in an abandoned factory in Istanbul and brought it home in my hand luggage. The shoes are stored in a cabinet on the loft floor, which also blocks the line of sight into the sleeping area. There are some pretty big plants in the living room area. Our windows are all facing the south, so there's plenty of light coming in. The thing I'm most proud of is the TV. We suspended it by a rail on the ceiling so it can be moved back and forth. When it's placed on the wall, there's actually a sculpture on the back of it. The eye-catcher of the living room is the pink cabinet, backed by green tiles. The cabinet stores a lot of stuff and features a hidden desk and a hiding place for our cat. The left side doubles as a scratching surface, which was a great idea at the time, but in reality she prefers to scratch our couch. We placed the green tiles ourselves, and one of the hidden gems is the tile in the corner, which was made by us. It features our own signatures. We like the simpleness and the calmness of the original grey kitchen, so we decided to keep it and extend it with a kitchen aisle. My girlfriend loves to cook and spices are really important, so we made a huge spice rack above the kitchen aisle. This is an actual street lamp which we got from the municipality. We converted it to the kitchen light. The washing machine used to be in the kitchen. We moved it to the bathroom to make space for a dishwasher. The round table is a nice contrast to all the other square furniture in the house. Normally it doesn't take up too much space, but extended it can host up to 8 people. The bed is surrounded by a set of curtains. These help with keeping the mosquitoes and light out, and it can create a separate zone when sleeping. We have 2 smaller electric roller blinds, deflecting some of the sunlight on sunny days or for privacy. We only had 1 remote. We made a playful solution to have the remote accessible from each area in the house. We have floor-to-ceiling mirrors on our wardrobes for a more spacious feeling and extra light. The light switches are located in the entrance, which is very inconvenient when you're lying in bed. Luckily, I had a huge industrial switch laying around, which I had found in an abandoned factory in Belgium. I made an open drying cabinet, which has plenty of room for our wet clothes. It also doubles as a room divider. The bathroom is next to the hall. I found a small washing machine that could squeeze into our bathroom. After figuring out how to install the water pipes, I also built a custom cabinet around the washing machine. A very neat feature of our bathroom cabinet is the integrated litter box for our cat. We expanded the outdoor space by building a floating terrace. This was a very challenging build because we had to build it indoor, then partly deassemble it, move it around the central column and then reassemble it outside again. The style here, it's a combination of many personal things. For example, things I found, like the switches, the lights, trying to keep everything neat, so having a lot of dressers and things to tuck things away. I like to make things myself, and that really creates a certain style. It's a really combination of existing elements. That's how the style here evolved.
Thanks for watching, and if you're an architect or designer with a project we could feature, please share it with us at nevertoosmall.com/submissions.